Hello my friends, it's me Manuel from The Good Life Sosua, and here I'm gonna show you a yacht that you can make a tour. In case that you're interested, please text me and I'll be here for you. Let's go. So this space has, as you can see, pool behind me, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a huge living room area where you can do party and all those stuff. So here in the price that I will put in the screen, you have everything included. For example, for 25 guests, you will have drink, food, alcohol, staff, the captain, everything. And the pickup and drop off from the beach to the boat is free as well. It's already included in the price. This is how the exterior looks of the boat. If we walk right here, you have, let's say, like a lane area over here and over here. This is all party boats, my friends. So you can see here we have one boat, another one, this one right here. So we're gonna enter to the interior. Here you have, let's say, a social area over here where you can sit, have fun with your friends. Over here we have a barbecue area that they will cook for you. Here you have, let's say, sound system. Over here, dining table. If we go down over here, and this side you have small bed. So here we're gonna go to this side over here. Here you have, let's say, a bathroom, and here you have, let's say, another bed where you can have fun with your guests, you know what I mean? And in the other side over here, so here we have the kitchen over here. Here you have another bathroom, another bedroom over here. And here you have another bedroom as well. So yes, in the screen, I'm gonna put you the different times that we have available for this tour. This tour is only available for 4 hours. So per day, we can just do 3 tours per day. So let's say we'll be from 9 till 1, from 1 till 5, and 5 till 9 p.m. Okay, my friends, so in the screen, I will put the prices. Remember, these prices, you have alcohol included, drinks included, food included, music, chef, captain, everything is included in the price. So in case that you want more information, just text me and I'll hit you up, okay? So in case that you want more information, please text me and I'll help you out for your tour. Remember, we have the best prices in town. So we're not like those people in the street, like that you're gonna do tours and they'll hit you right here in the back, you know. So yes, see you, stay safe, and hope to see you soon.